would laugh if
Who's-
y'all got killed for that.
Who's Chetty Cathy? What are you talking about?
Who the hell's trying to shoot me?
That would be cowardly.
Alrighty, righty, tier 7s. I'm gonna stay behind the rock so you guys can get shot first. Ah, why?
What are you talking about? Why?
Just lost the...
Oh, I wanted to kill that.
Come on, look at these tier 7s that are so formidable and destructive right here.
I know, they could completely demolish us in a matter of... Ah, I was gonna steal that kill from you. I did anyway. Oh, look at
Burn!
Who got the kill for that? Oh.
I did, because he was on fire.
Shit on fire, you.
I told you there was a formidable tier 7.
Die!
Here's my day so far. Went to jail.
Why didn't you keep me alive, Will Striker? What's wrong with you?
I was trying.
You tried horribly. You just failed, that's all you did. Did you really kill that, Jax? Oh my god, you did. See, look what I'm doing for you guys. Look at the experience that you're getting with this.
What experience?
Poor IS2 doesn't know which way to go. You guys are just killing. This is amazing. Oh my god, I cannot believe this.
Where's this damn ammo rack?
Oh my god. I'm gonna die. Don't ever tell me that tier 4s can't handle, or tier 5s can't handle it.
He was so confused.
That poor guy.
I've got 2 premium rooms left.
You gotta save that replay.
I don't even know if I
Oh.
am playing.
Oh my god, that's hilarious.
Yep, I've got mine on. That was fantastic.
What made it
Oh.
even better is he's going after the smallest target.
Yeah, he could have been
Oh.
killing you, but,
I was saying, I can't run away from him.
but he had to try and shoot me.
Oh god.
Tier 7
Yeah.
game, almost 1,000 damage. It was all thanks to an IS2.
I got 775.
Got 802 damage on that IS-2.
Oh, the win 8's gonna be great for this one.
What tier?
We're
we're still playing. Cowardly's gonna go try and own a KV2 and his KV220.
This is the,
and
this
not
was
die.
the stupidest tier 7 game I've ever been in. 1-1-1.
Cowardly and Cowardly and Puppy here just owned a full health IS2 and tier 5 premium tanks.
Nice.
He didn't know what to do with us.
It was
You're
hilarious.
supposed to see tier 6 at most.
I'm back.
Hello, back.
I'm SoSlo. Nice to meet ya.
That you're gonna own that ACU and he's not gonna know what to do with himself. Ball bounce. Yeah, the gold rounds. Hit the ground.
He shot the rock.
Boop.
Victory!
Bunny, if you got the most damage out of that, or at least
Oh no, there's no
Up
way.
there.
I couldn't do
there's
it.
gotta be a way you got up there. At least in the middle.
Never underestimate the power of the Schwartz, that's right.
Third place, yes!
Oh my gosh, wow.
876 XP base. Our top damage guy only got 592 XP.
SoSlo and I beat the Panther and the Tiger and the other Tiger. Bunny all the way up.
Could have done better probably if I didn't YOLO off the edge of this thing into that. I figured we were all dead. I was like, man, screw it.
Tier 5 premium.
Dude, I lost almost 27 grand just in ammunition. Holy crap.
But it was worth it. Come on.
Yeah, I know. I got paid 41 grand or something like that. I only brought home 14.